Hello again everyone. In this video tutorial, I will show you an easy and step-by-step way to find the median, mode, range, mean, variance, and standard deviation of this raw data. The first thing to do here is to make sure that the given data are arranged in an ascending order. That is, from the lowest to the highest. The very first thing to do here is to find the median of the number you have already arranged. And the median of this number is 15 because it is the one that is at the middle of the arranged number. So therefore, our median is equal to 15. Now mode. Mode is simply the number that appear most in the arranged number. In this data, we can see that 11 appear twice and also 20 also appear twice. So therefore, the mode of this data is equal to 11 and 20. Data has two modes, which is called bimodal. Now to the range. The range simply means the highest minus the lowest value. And we can see in this data, our lowest value is equal to 7, while the highest value is 28. So therefore, you can say that our range equal to 28, which is the biggest number, minus 7, which is smallest number. And our range equal to 21. To mean, our mean, we represent it here as x bar, and our x bar equal to summation of x, which is each of these value divided by n, and our n equal to the total number in that data. So therefore, our x bar equal to add all these values together, which is equal to 7 plus 11 plus 11 plus 15 plus 20 plus 20 and plus 28, all divided by, so our sample size is now equal to 7 divided by 7, and the top gave us 112 is divided by 7, which give us 16. Now we can create a table to find the variance and standard deviation. Now fill out the value of x, and the x bar, which is our mean, we fill the table with the value, which is 16. And the next column is x minus x bar, that is, and the first one is 7 minus 16, which is negative 9. And 11 minus 16 equal to negative 5. 11 minus 16 again, negative 5. 15 minus 16, negative 1. 20 minus 16 equal to 4. 20 minus 16 equal to 4. 28 minus 16 equal to 12. And the final column is to square the x minus x bar. So negative 9 square equal to 81. Negative 5 equal to 25. 25, 1, 16, 16, 144. So the next step is to add all the value of last column together, which is x summation into the bracket x minus s bar, close the bracket, square root, which is giving us 308. Since our variance is represented by x squared and the sample variance is giving us this equation, which is s squared, putting the formula down, we have 308 divided by 7 minus 1, which is equal to 308 divided by 6. This is giving us 51.333. And that is our variance. And our standard deviation is represented by x. And the formula is, which is equal to 308 divided by 6, which is equal to square root of 51.333. And when we take the square root of 51.333, we have 7.165, which is our standard deviation. Therefore, our x equal to 7.165. So before we close, let's find the median of this data set as an example. Know that median is the middle number. That is to say, after we have already arranged the number, but in case of this one, we can see that two numbers fall into the middle. And to get the median of this data, we need to add 7 plus 13, which is at the middle, divided by 2. We have 20 divided by 2. And 20 divided by 2 give us 10. So the median of this data set equal to 10. Thank you for watching. See you next time.